Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Sorkar Jela Markus N. Marak ulaong baktanat PHE kampat Pyllait setia ke Pisa si kontraktor ke pentrai skim Jol Jiban Mission namar baga Sorkar dia kampat Pyllait setia ke Pisa belamang. Hak jing keren bekilat patai kubor hak laiterik unok pra arjar absan ulaong ba umdai tang Sorkar Meghalaya ke bompat Siew ya ka bil joki kontraktor ke pentrai ke skim JJM dai habaro kawe karihi kiwe jelaru kimpat yo ke Pisa nak Sorkar India.
See, JJM bills are not paid to all the contractors because we are yet to receive the Government of India fund released. It is not only the government of Meghalaya who is not able to pay the JJM bills. It is entire country, pan India, I should say. All the states have not received fund from the Government of India. This is, actually there are many reasons on it. Government of India, once the JJM has been extended to 2028, have directed all the states to reconcile the exceeded expenditures, which was a massive exercise done by the PHE department. I think 3-4 months they have done the reconciliation of the exceeded expenditures, which has been incurred on almost all the projects. This is one. Number two is another again, which is again the geotagging of all the projects. So this is being done on the direction of the Government of India, and Government of India has also put a condition that whoever the states have received the state fund, state share of the JJM, which we have already met a state share of JJM. We have received from the Government of Meghalaya the state share of more than 700 crores, which is pending for the payment. So therefore, it's not only the state of Meghalaya, it's pan-India, across the country. No other state has got the fund received from the Government of India. That is the reason why we are not able to pay the pending bills. We are also trying our level best to convince the Government of India to make payments before the Christmas, because it's a Christian state, it's a duty found on the part of the Government of Meghalaya that we should take care of our own people. So considering that we are putting our effort to pursue Government of India to convince them that money be released to some of the Christian states, including Meghalaya. In the last week, Honorable Chief Minister has met Siew and submitted the memorandum also. And in near future, if we need, we will try to, I have already talked to Chief Minister sir also that we should be meeting Prime Minister. So in case nothing happens, then we might have to meet Honorable Prime Minister also. So this is where the status of the JJM pending bills. More than 700 crores is pending bills, as I said, more than 700, which is ready for payment, which are already in the MIR system. And there are more than 2,000 crores will be there, because some of the projects are, they need to get the clearance from the third party. So some of the projects, some of the bills are at different stages. So those projects, those bills which are already ready for the payment, we consider that as a pending payment. So pending bills are there is almost more than 700 crores.